Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing some DIY breast milk soap. What you're going to need is glycerin soap, 1.5 ounces of breast milk, and some oats. I'm going to take half the glycerin soap and put it in a bowl that can go in the microwave. And I'm going to do it for 45 seconds. Once you got that all melted, go ahead and take your 1.5 ounces of breast milk and mix that in together. In another container, go ahead and put some oats down on the bottom. Once you got that all mixed up together, you're going to go ahead and pour that into your oats. Then you're going to take some of more oats and put them with the mixture and go ahead and poke those down because you want them in the middle of the soap bar also. And then I'm going to just go ahead and let it dry out. Once it's dry, go ahead and cut along the edges of your mold. This soap bar I'm going to cut into 4 little squares. Here they are. They feel super smooth. Thank you all for watching.